Welcome to our channel. Today we how to improve evidence management with CaseGuard, complete guide step by step clearly. To improve evidence management with CaseGuard, start by familiarizing yourself with the software interface. Launch CaseGuard and log into your account. Navigate to the dashboard where you can view all your evidence management tools. Begin by creating a new case by clicking on the New Case button. Input all relevant information such as case number, title, and description. Save the case to ensure all information is stored securely. Next, upload your evidence files by selecting the appropriate option in the case file menu. Ensure that each evidence file is clearly labeled for easy identification. Utilize CaseGuard's tagging system to categorize evidence files by type or relevance. After organizing your files, set access permissions to maintain security and confidentiality. Review the evidence management logs to track changes and updates to stored files. Use the search function to quickly locate specific evidence when needed. Regularly back up your evidence files to prevent data loss. Stay updated with CaseGuard's latest features by checking for software updates. Train your team on how to use the software effectively to enhance collaboration. Encourage consistent data entry practices to maintain organized records. Regularly review and update case files to ensure they remain relevant. Monitor compliance with your organization's evidence management policies. By following these steps, you can significantly improve your evidence management process using CaseGuard. This will lead to better organization, retrieval, and security of your critical evidence files. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.